It's not just about caring for children, it's about educating them. It's about going home every day and saying, I made a difference. Hi, I'm Jess. I'm Head of Early Childhood Education and Care here at VFA Learning. Well, I always knew that this would be my path. We want to make sure that we've got as many amazing educators out there that we can to provide the best possible care for them. To become an early childhood educator, you just need to have warmth, passion, confidence and love for children. They come in probably a little bit nervous and unsure of what the course is going to entail, but at the end of it, they're so thankful. They love the extra one-on-one that we provide for them, and they love the practical experience that come with it. The knowledge that they've gained at the end of the course is incredible. There's loads of opportunities that await after the course. You can do it, and we're here to help you do it. Who doesn't want to interact with children?